Good morning, student. Now, today we are going to discuss relation. Our chapter is relation and function. So today, now discuss the relation. So what is the meaning of relation? So here, mainly three things remember: domain, range, and codomain. Okay. So what is the meaning of domain, range, and codomain? But first of all, discuss definition of relation. Relation, that means a relation R from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B. So here we can consider two sets, set A and set B, and both the set are non-empty set. That means in both the set at least one element present in set A as well as at least one element present in set B. So here condition is present, the relation are from a non-empty set A as well as non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. It the subset of the Cartesian product of A Cartesian product B. So we know that how can we find out Cartesian product, right? Okay. Now domain. Domain, that means suppose here two set is present, set A and set B. See here set A and set B is present. Now here condition is present, R is equal to set of A comma B from A plus B less than 7. That means here set A 3 element is present, set B 3 element is present. Now here satisfy this condition, we can add this number A, we can consider in set B, and in set B element we can consider in set B. So and the sum of A plus B less than 7. So now here consider first of all 1 comma 3. That means here we can consider 1 in set A and 3 in set B. Now add this number 1 plus 3 4 and 4 is less than 7. So we can written in order pair form 1 comma 3. Now second 1 comma 5. 1 plus 5, that means 6, and 6 is less than 7. So here we can also consider 1 comma 5. Now after 1 7, but 1 plus 7 8, and 8 is more than 7. So this condition is not satisfied. So here we can consider we cannot consider 1 comma 7. Now 3 comma 3. So 3 plus 3 6. So this term also consider. Now remaining any term we can add, so we get not less than 7. So only 3 possibility here. Now our question is which number is our domain and which number is our range. Domain, that means here first position is our domain position. Okay. So our A is our domain and the second position is our range. So domain, that means the set of all first element of the order pair in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the domain of the relation R. Okay. So here domain, that means first the set of all first element of the order pair is called the domain of this set. And range, that means the set of second element in the relation R from the set A to set B is called the range of the relation R. That means domain, that means here 1 and 3. Here first position is 1 and second position our domain in this question. So domain is equal to written here 1 comma 3, right? And range, that means here we get second position. So second position, that means our range. So range is 3 comma 5 is our range. Okay. So remember first position is domain and second position is range. And what is the meaning of codomain? So the whole the set B is called the codomain of the relation R. Whole the element of set B, that means 3, 5 and 7 is our codomain. So here we can written codomain is equal to set of 3, 5, 7. Clear? So relation, domain, range and codomain. So in this topic, remember domain, that means first position, range that means second position, and codomain that means all the set of R, all the element of set of B. Now let us discuss one example. So clear this topic. Example number 7. Example number 7. Here set A is present. So our question is, let A is equal to set of 6 element is present, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6. Now here condition is present, define R from A to A. That means here domain element of domain is present in set A, as well as range of element is also present in set A. Now here condition is present, R is equal to set of x comma y from y is equal to x plus 1. Now our question is, first of all discuss the relation using arrow diagram, means this relation represent in arrow diagram, and second question, find out the domain, range and codomain in R. So first of all, here which order pair we can return. So first here condition is present, y is equal to x plus 1. Now here domain is also present in set A, range is also present in set A. So first of all x in place of return, consider 1. Okay. X is here, our equation is present, y is equal to x plus 1. So x is equal to, we can consider 1. Now substitute in this equation, so y is equal to 1 plus 1, that means 2. So here we get one order pair, 1, 2. Now x is equal to, here total 6 element is present in set A, and our range is also present in 6 element. So x is equal to, consider 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So our second order pair is 2, 3. So first order pair 1, 2, 2, 3. Now after substitute x is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 1, that means 4. So here we get another order pair 3, 4. Right? 3 and 4 also present in set A. So we can return here. Now x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 4 plus 1, that means 5. So another order pair 4, 5. Now here x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 plus 1, that means 6. So another order pair 5, 6. Now here we can consider, suppose x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 plus 1, that means 7. But 7 is not present in set A. So this order pair we cannot consider here. So here we can consider only 5 order pair. Okay, now after this order pair represent in Venn diagram, so arrow diagram. So how can we represent it? So see here, first of all, here we can So here we can draw two sets. Here we can return A position, here also we can return A position. Now here in set A, how many element is present? This position is domain position and this position is co-domain position as well as range position. So how can be represented here? So first of all, in set A, total 6 element is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In another set A also 6 element is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now after here in first order pair relation is present 1 relation to 2. So how can we represented 1 relation to 2? So here we can represent it 1 relation 2. Now second order pair 2 relation 3. So here written 2 relation 3, 3 relation 4, 4 relation 5, 5 relation 6. Now our question is domain or this means arrow diagram over just represent the relation of this 5 order pair in this arrow diagram. Now after find out which order pair, which term is our domain. So domain here in this order pair first position is our domain. So here first position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our domain is set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 element, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 6 element relation is not mentioned here. So this term 6 element is not is our domain. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in case of range, so again second position is our range. So again here arrow is present in which number? 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 1 is remaining, so we cannot consider in position of range. So our range is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now our question is third condition is codomain. So in case of codomain, all the element of position of second position. So here our codomain in our definition, suppose A and B set is present, so all the element of set B is our codomain. So here all the second position is here A. So all the element of set A is our codomain. So here we can return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how can we find out domain? Domain that means here this position, range that means this position and codomain that means all the element of this element. We can say that codomain of this set. Now next question, exercise 2.2. First question is asked. Question number 1, exercise 2.2, question number 1. Let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Total 14 element present in set A. Define R from A to A. Condition is present R is equal to set of x comma y from 3x minus y is equal to 0. Condition is present where x comma y both present in set A. Write the domain, codomain and range of this set. So here in set A, total how many element present in set A? So in set A, total 14 element present in set A. Okay. Now here equation condition is present. Here our order pair X and Y form is present. Now both these element is present in set A, and here condition is present 3x minus y is equal to 0. So here we can return y is equal to 3x, right? Now here we can consider, suppose x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 3 into bracket 1, that means 3. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3 into bracket 2, 6. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 into bracket 3, that means 9. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to 3 into bracket 4, that means 12. And x is equal to 5. Y is equal to 3 into bracket 5. 5 3 are 15. But see here in set A only 1 to 14 element is present. So this element we cannot consider. So here we get total R is equal to set of 4 order pair 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. So here written 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Set. Now our question is find out the domain, range and codomain. So our domain is equal to first element of this set, this order pair. So here first element 1, 2, 3 and 4. Range, that means 3. Second element of this order pair, that means 3, 6, 9 and 12. And codomain, so codomain is equal to all the element of second set. So here we can return set A. Clear? So domain, range and codomain we can find out in this way. Now next question. Question number 6. Determine the domain and range. Question number 6. Our question is only determine the domain and range of relation R defined by the set R is equal to set of x comma x plus 5. Condition is present. X belongs to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set over. And our question is find out the domain and range. So first of all, in set X total 6 element is present, right? 0 to 5, that means 6 element is present. Now here first position is X, second position X plus 5. Here X in place of consider 0. 0 plus 5, that means 5. X in place of written here 1. 1 plus 5, that means 6. 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 3. 3 plus 5, 8. But here domain is X. Okay, here X is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position. And R is equal to this order pair. So here we cannot going up to 5 number. We can X in place of substitute this number. So now X in place of written 4. 4 plus 5, 9. After 5. So 5 plus 5, that means 10. Clear? So here x is equal to 0 to 5 element is present. Now here order pair is present. Here condition is present. In our question, the domain and range relation is R defined by R is equal to, like this condition is present. Now our question is find out just domain and range. So domain is equal to which element we can return? So first element in this order pair. So our domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set over, and our range is second element of this order pair. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is our domain and range. Clear? Okay.